it's Jackie and Jackie's Cooking, and today, my loves, we are making some quick chicken curry in a hurry. Yes, indeed, honey. It's quick, it's delicious. It's just sometimes you just need something that's convenient, that won't take up a whole bunch of time, because we're busy, you know. We got to go to work, and we're coming home from work. We got to make dinner. Anyway, I just know this is delicious. It's going to definitely tantalize some palates. Let's get to it. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on all of my delicious recipes. Don't forget to like and share. Let everybody know Jackie's Cooking. Yes, indeed. So, guys, these are ingredients. We have some chopped onion, some carrot, some garlic, our bay leaves, some sweet peppers. I got different colors there, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, I have some potatoes. Okay, I have them in water because I don't want them to turn brown. We have a can of sweet peas, a little bit of sugar, some black pepper. We have our oil. We have our cumin and some garlic powder because I don't have enough fresh garlic, so I'm adding some more garlic powder. Okay. We have some white chicken breasts I cut into chunks. You can use chicken thighs, but this is what I had. Some curry powder. We have our beautiful paprika. That's black pepper, actually. We have some red pepper flakes, our paprika, our green seasoning. I have a recipe for that, guys, so it's in my videos. Some chicken bouillon flavoring, and some hot pepper vinegar. If you don't have that, just use regular vinegar. I gotta show you guys how to make it anyway. This hot pepper vinegar, really good. So let's get to cooking, baby. Alright, guys, so make sure you clean your chicken, and you're going to cut them into chunks, okay? So we're going to add our chicken bouillon flavoring, and we're going to add our beautiful curry powder, okay? We're going to add some black pepper, and we're just seasoning the meat. Okay, we're just seasoning the meat right now. Okay, and I'm going to use my hands. You know, my hands are very clean. You know, God gave us hands, so we should use. I just feel like by using my hands, I could incorporate and ensure my spices are getting into my meats and stuff. Okay, just make sure your hands are well cleaned, and after you deal with the meat, wash your hands. You know, all that salmonella. Okay, so if we're gonna cook clean and cook smart. So we're going to put that to the side, guys. And we have our pot, which is nice and hot. We got some oil up in there. And we are going to add our veggies, onions, sweet peppers, garlic, bay leaves, our carrots. And, of course, I'm sauteing these on medium-high heat. And we're going to saute those for at least a good, I would do it for at least a good 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes, you know. Because I want the flavors to start intensifying. I want to sweat those onions. I want to bring the sugar out of the carrots. You know, so this is what the process is about. It's intensifying our flavors. Now I'm going to add my beautiful green seasoning. I already told you guys when I first started this channel, you're going to see me using my green seasoning a lot. And I have a recipe for that, okay? And I'm telling you, it's the base for a lot of cooking, especially for my cooking, you know? So I'm adding that to the pot as well. And I'm sauteing that. My green seasoning, it has garlic, it has cilantro, it has onion, it has sweet peppers, some other stuff, celery, okay? So now, guys, we sauteed that for a good amount of time. I am now adding some cumin, okay? And I wanted to add some more garlic powder, okay? Because I didn't have enough fresh garlic, so, okay? I just love garlic, okay? And what we're doing right now, guys, we are going to add another bit of curry powder, because what we want to do now, we want to start toasting our cumin and our beautiful curry powder. Okay, we're toasting that. We want to draw out the flavors. We want to intensify the flavors. And guys, the recipe is in the description box below. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit more oil. And the reason why I did that is because I guess when I added the curry powder, I didn't want everything to be dried out. So, you know, as we're sauteing, guys, and toasting our cumin and our curry powder, I'm talking about the smell is so great. We're drawing out the flavors, okay? And intensifying those flavors. And guys, scrape that pot too, okay? So now we're gonna add our chicken that was seasoned for a little bit. And I only had the chicken seasoning while I was sauteing everything. So season your chicken first. Okay, and if you have chicken thighs, use chicken thighs. Cut those into small chunks. You don't want big sizes because that's why it's called quick chicken curry in a hurry. Okay, so I'm sauteing that, guys. And as you can see, guys, I'm also scraping the bottom of that pot. There is so much flavor right there in the bottom of that pot. You have to scrape that pot. Okay, that's the remnants of the toasted curry powder. Okay, I'm adding my potatoes. I love sauteing. I just love it. Okay. Tossing those potatoes in there. And as you can see, I'm scraping that pot, making sure I get all those flavors, because that has beautiful, intense flavor for our curry. And guys, this is quick. It's really quick, you know. It's, you know, a lot of times we don't have time to cook. When we come home, you got to cook for your family or, you know, what have you. Now we're adding our beautiful paprika, you know, because you're coming home. You got to cook for the kids. You got to cook for the husband, or vice versa. You know, either you're the husband, you got to take care of your kids, depending, whatever your family situation is, you know, and sometimes you want something quick, you know, you want something quick, because you're tired, you know, so you want to do something quick, get it on the table, and boom. Okay, I'm adding my sugar. The sugar is going to balance everything, guys. It's going to balance everything. That's why I'm adding my sugar. And I'm going to add a little bit of acidity, which is the vinegar, which you're going to see after the water is in, okay? So we're adding our water. And I'm putting this now on medium heat. And I'm still stirring, and I'm scraping the bottom of that pot, okay? To glaze that bottom, just scrape all that beautiful flavor so it could be infused into the water, which is going to create our gravy. Now we're adding our peas. Our beautiful sweet peas, we're adding that last. And I'm stirring that, guys. And make sure the bottom of my pot is scraped. And I'm going to cover this on medium heat, guys, for about good 20 to 25 minutes. Okay. And this is it, guys. Has that beautiful, nice, thick gravy. Okay, our beautiful curry. Now, guys, what I'm going to do, I love to do this in everything I cook. I want to add a few sliced onions. If you have some sliced peppers, you could add it as well. But I'm going to add a few sliced onions just to settle it up, nest it up in there. And then I'm going to cover it off the heat, because I turned off the heat already, so already cooked. And that's going to add an extra layer of flavor. And I'll do that for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And there you go. Look at that. It is absolutely delicious. You know, absolutely delicious. Having it with some beautiful white rice. Okay. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on all of my recipes. Like and share and let everybody know, your friends, your family, that Jackie's cooking. Okay, guys? So here's I fixed myself a little plate, you know, because I wanted to show you what was going on. We have our peas, our carrots, our chicken. You know, that was the bay leaf from there, you know. Our onions, all of this on some beautiful white rice. I like to cook it. Usually I cook with jasmine or basmati rice, but I had regular rice, you know. But it's so good. So much flavor. So good, guys. Especially when you toast that cumin and the beautiful, beautiful curry, guys. I can't even tell you. I love food, you know. I'm a foodie, and I love to try different foods. So, guys, try this. Enjoy it. Stay strong. Live life. Love one another. Okay? And just eat happy. Not that difficult. Enjoy.